Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to add about 2e to the power of s. Later that we need to minus about 2e to the power of s. We put about cosine s. That means we need to minus about cosine s. About 2 sine s. That is about sine s plus sine s. Next, 2e to the power of s plus cosine s and sine s. We can put this one cone here. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1. And now we just have like this. Now we need to concentrate on this one. Now we can do about factorization by negative number 1, and we have like this. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we keep the same. This one we have negative sine s. This one we have cosine s ds. So this one in here we change by u. This one with ds we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.